Kumusta everyone? If you're a PUBG Mobile player here in the Philippines and you're with Globe, you've probably experienced that soul-crashing lag at the worst possible time, right when you're about to get that chicken dinner. You are not alone. While Globe has made huge strides in 2025 with their network upgrades, some of us are still getting hit with those frustrating ping spikes. I've got a few tips here specifically for Globe users to help you fix that lag and get back to a smooth game. Let's do this. The first thing we need to understand is that lag isn't always about your device. It is often a network issue. The most common problem is network congestion. The first fix is simple. Check your signal. Are you on Wi-Fi or mobile data? If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure you are connected to the 5 GHz band if your router supports it, as it's faster and more stable for gaming. Also, try to be as close as possible to your router. If you're on mobile data, find a spot with a strong signal. Sometimes just moving to a different room or even closer to a window can make a huge difference. Now let's talk about things you can do with your device. You can restart your phone to reset network and temporary bugs. You can also use the airplane mode option to refresh your network connection in Globe. Another thing to consider is in your SIM card, always use 4G preferred for much better connection. If 5G is available in your place, you could also use that. For the last resort, you can try to uninstall then reinstall it again on the Google Play Store and see if it works.